Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn the ringer off on your iPhone 17. So let's get started. You can use this method on any iPhone on the latest iOS version. So in order to do this, it's going to be really simple. First thing is you're going to start in the setting, and then in the action button, make sure that it is selected on silent mode. If you have any of these other ones, just swipe to the very first one. Now with this on, what's going to happen is you can press and hold on to this action button for about a few seconds, and your phone is going to be in silent mode, which will turn your ringers off. And if you press it again, it will turn it back on. Now if that button isn't working for you, another way you can also do it is by going to your setting, and then from there on you're going to go down to sounds and haptics, and you can also turn off the ringer by putting it in silent mode here, which will not play any ringtones. So either of the option will work. You'll notice that the ringer is off, indicated by this bell with a cross on it as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.